all been watching.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now.
Stranded is a 2014 American found footage horror film directed by Levan Gabriels. The film stars Shelley Hennig, Moses Storm, and Rainy Outstead. The movie takes place entirely on a computer screen where a group of teenagers engages in an online video chat. However, their conversation is disrupted by a mysterious and benevolent presence which threatens to expose their darkest secrets.
Are there any trends in ICT tackled in the film? If yes, please elaborate.
One trend in ICT tackled in the film is the pervasive use of social media and online platforms. The movie highlights how teenagers spend most of their time online, sharing intimate details about their lives and interacting with each other through screens. Number 1. Social media. The movie takes place entirely on a computer screen, where a group of teenagers engages in an online video chat on a social media platform. The film highlights the importance of social media in modern life, as well as its potential dangers such as online harassment and cyberbullying. Second is convergence. The movie showcases technological convergence where multiple technologies such as video chat, social media, and online search come together to create a seamless and interactive experience. However, this convergence also enables the mysterious presence to hack into the teenagers' computers and online accounts.
Are there any internet threats tackled in the film? If yes, please also elaborate.
The film showcases several internet threats, including, based on the text, the internet that are relevant to the movie Unfriended are: number 1, malware, specifically the Trojan. The mysterious presence in the movie is able to be hacked in the teenager's computer and online accounts, suggesting the use of malware. The presence is able to disguise itself as a legitimate online entity, much like a Trojan. Second is spyware or keylogger. The mysterious presence is able to monitor the teenagers' online activities, including their chat conversations and online searches. This suggests the use of spyware or a keylogger, which allows the presence to gather sensitive information. Lastly, the phishing. The mysterious presence uses deceitful tactics to trick the teenagers into revealing sensitive information, such as their passwords and personal secrets. This is similar to phishing, where an attacker tries to obtain confidential information by posting a trustworthy source.
What are the lessons you've learned?
The lessons I've learned is that be mindful of online activities. The film serves as a reminder to be cautious about what we share online and how we interact with others on the internet.
Yun.